In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create an Angular application. Okay, so I'm going to use here commands to create the Angular application. Okay, so yeah, before proceeding, I would like to request please go ahead and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed with creating uh, the Angular application now. So first I will open the browser and open here Google, and here I will type create Angular project. Okay, and it will take me to this screen. Here we can create, and I will click on here create a project, and you can see here I'll just scroll down, and here I will click on local environment setup. Okay, so here you can see the first thing is just if you don't have the local tool, then we can use it. And here you can see the other prerequisite, which is JavaScript, HTML, CSS. We should know before proceeding with Angular application. Okay, and we can also learn TypeScript, but yeah, it's not required. Okay, and also in our local machine, like Node.js should be installed, and npm package should be installed. So if what you can do, we can check whether it's installed or not. So here you can see node-v is the command which is given to check. Okay, so here I will type node-v and hit enter, and you can see I got the version here. Okay, and again I will type npm -v to check npm version. So yeah, you can see both the things are installed already in my machine. Okay, if you have not installed it, then I would suggest you to go ahead and install that first. Okay, and you can also find that link maybe in the description how you can install node and npm. So here I will copy this command here and put it in the terminal and hit enter, and you can see installation has been started and installation is done. Okay, so as the next step we'll need to run the second command. Okay, so yeah, this is the second command to create the workspace for Angular app. So here I will put like ng my new, and my app is the project name of Angular, and here I will hit enter as y is already selected. Okay, or we can also type y and then hit enter. Okay, so yeah, you can see, yeah, and again uh, it is again asking for permission. Again I will press enter as y is already selected, and again uh, I will choose here the CSS. Okay, and hit enter, and now it's processing something here. Okay, so yeah, let it keep processing. Okay, or basically it is installing the npm node packages here, which is required for running the Angular application. So let's wait to complete this process. Okay, and now you can see uh, project is created now. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will just go ahead and run the application now by using the mentioned command. You can see here first we need to navigate into the project folder, which is my app folder. Okay, so here I will type cd my app. Okay, now I'm inside the folder, my project folder, and now I will type ng serve -- open. Okay, so yeah, it will run the application. You can see here, and here I will just press y and enter. Okay, and now you can see it is running the application, and now you can see application is we can see the application in our default browser here, which is Safari. Okay, so yeah, you can see we are able to see the same port number here, like 4200, which is default port for Angular, which is mentioned here in the document. Okay, and also we are able to see the same like below screen, which is here, like you can see in the image. Okay, so yeah, um, so this is all what you need to do to create the Angular app. So now I will uh, stop it the execution of this project here by pressing Control plus C. Okay, and you can see now debugging. I mean, project is not running. Okay, and here I will try to open it in the VS Code. So using this code space dot, it is the basic command to open the current folder in the Visual Studio Code. But seems like uh, here we don't have the like some plugin is missing or something here. So yeah, what we need to do here, we need to press, I mean in the VS Code we need to press it is command plus shift plus P or F1. Okay, so yeah, we need to press that thing to open like the option to install code plugin. Okay, so we'll go here in the VS Code and here we'll press command. Okay, okay, the mentioned thing. Okay, here, and you can see, and I will choose that option, and here I will click on OK. I will put my password here. Okay, and here I will click on OK, and you can see shell command code is installed. Okay, so here that I had pressed Control Shift plus P to open that thing. Okay, and now here we need to just use the same command code space dot to open the current folder in the VS Code. Okay, and you can see it is able to open, and here I will click on trust, and yes, I trust, and yeah, like current folder is open now in the VS Code. Okay, so this is the basically Angular application folder structure, and you can have here multiple folders and files which you can go through and understand its working. Okay, so the node modules is basically to run the node like a library, and this is the source folder where you will find the real uh, files which is related to Angular. And here you can see this is the main TS. Okay, or you can see this is also a TypeScript file. Okay, so basically we need to understand all these things, how it is working, and from here we can open the terminal here in the VS Code, and now we need not to use any external terminal here, so yeah, we can close it. Okay, and here you can see in the package.json file you can find the script which you can run. We mean type here to start the application. So here I will type npm start, and it will call ngserve internally. Okay, and you can see our application is compiled, and I have also closed this terminal now. Okay, because that is not required. And here I will click on this URL to open the Angular app, and you can see it is running properly now. Okay, so yeah, this is all what you need to do to run the Angular app. And if you want to create any custom components, then you can see here the command is given. So yeah, we'll check all these commands in future, I mean in upcoming videos, to understand more about the Angular structure and its projects and it's working, and also we'll see how it's like control is flowing or its architecture. So we will understand all these terms in the upcoming videos one by one. Okay, and you can see I have executed this command to create a component, and you can see that component inside the source, and it will be, I think, inside not in the environment, in the app. Yeah, here you can see new comp, and it will have with all the things like with CSS, with HTML, with TypeScript, everything is included automatically by Angular. It is smart enough to create the complete a proper structure of the component. So yeah, uh, so yep, that is all guys in this video. Okay, so I hope you liked it. Okay, so yeah, if you like it, so please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Okay, to keep yourself updated or about any upcoming videos. Okay, so that is all guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.